Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make a no-churn birthday cake ice cream using leftover funfetti cake. Or you could use vanilla cake and add rainbow sprinkles to get the same effect. To get started, add 2 cups of 35% cream to the bowl of your stand mixer. Whip the cream on medium speed until it starts to thicken. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and stream in 8 ounces of sweetened condensed milk while the mixer is on low speed. Now turn the speed up and whip the cream until you get soft to medium peaks. It's really important not to overmix the cream as it will ruin the texture when it's frozen. Here I have leftover funfetti cake. Crumble the cake to get crumbs and small pieces. I use 3 cups of cake, but 2 cups will work as well. Fold the cake into the cream with a spatula. Then add the cream to a container you can freeze and add extra cake or sprinkles on top. This part is optional. Cover and freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight. And that's it! This ice cream tastes just like eating a birthday cake, but it's way better because it's ice cream. The texture is really creamy and very similar to ice cream made with eggs and an ice cream machine. So next time you have cake scraps left over, be sure to add it to ice cream. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.